You should have seen the look on the lady's face when I, a 6'7" burly man, came to buy a Tiffany blue typewriter. I've wanted to start a business for quite a while. I tried buying a business, really interesting process. After spending so much time trying to figure out how we could make this a deal, it just didn't work out. So then I was thinking like, okay, maybe I start a business, and I'm like, I have no idea what type of business I would start. And then I looked at my stock account and I was up 25% this year. I am up 25% this year. And that's what got me thinking, maybe the business is to do with that. So I'm starting a newsletter service. It's all about investing. It's going to be like trading and, of course, holding certain stocks for a longer period of time as well. And if you're interested, shoot me a DM. I'll give you a free month trial. This month, I'm going to schedule 2 newsletters to go out. It's going to be on a bi-weekly basis, and it's just going to show up in your email. The newsletter is called Metals and Momentum. So should be kind of interesting. If you're interested in investing, shoot me a DM. I'll give you a month free.